This is my new electric bike by V-Electric, and this bike right here is 48 volt, 1000 watt peak rear hub motor. I'll go over some more of the stats and stuff later, but let's go ahead and take it out and do assembly. So you can see 90% of the bike is actually put together. So what I'm trying to get to is, I'm gonna unclip all this, I'm trying to get to this battery so that I can put it charging while I'm doing my assembly process. So the keys were actually zip tied to the wiring right here. So I was looking all over before, I couldn't find it. It was zip tied on there, but now that we have the keys and the battery is free, we can unlock it. You can see it just comes right out. And so there's your battery pack, 15 amp hours. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger. Now that all the packaging's off, this is everything that comes with the bike. And so we begin assembly. Along with the parts and pieces, you get the tools you need to put it together, so you don't need to get your own. And the instruction manual is step-by-step pictures. So that's gonna make it really easy to read. And then this, you're gonna put small ring down, and then the flare kind of goes up. It slides on like that. Next step, handlebar mount, goes straight on the top. Now I'm gonna remove this bracket and put the handlebars in place. Next I'm gonna mount the front fender and the headlight. Next step is gonna be the rack and rear fender. Don't forget to attach your brake light. Pedals, kickstand, and the seat adjustment. Is going to be putting on the front axle. So we're going to make sure that our brake disc lines up with our brake caliper, goes in between the brake pads, and then just put your axle straight through. So the final step before reinstalling the battery and powering it up is going to be to tighten my handlebar mount. I want to make sure the tire's straight, handlebars are straight, line it up good, and then just go ahead and tighten. The final step is reinstalling the battery. You can see 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery. You put the bottom in, it kind of lines up with this little groove, and then the top just should push in. And I mean, if you have the key in good, if not, it should still just pop in there. Yep, there we go. Remove your key, and then we're ready to turn it on. Okay, moment of truth. Just hold down the power button right here, right in the middle. That's it. The screen is up and running. It looks like it's calibrating. Everything's good. It's up and running. Horn. Light. Let's hit the throttle, make sure it turns. Yep, it's running. All right, that's gonna be it for the full unboxing and build of my new V-Electric Cityrang 2.0, and I can't wait to take this thing on its first ride.